Welcome to Best Buy Report. The best tabletop punching bag is probably one of the most innovative ways to relieve stress and have fun at your desk. These compact training tools offer a convenient way to improve hand-eye coordination and get a taste of boxing, all without needing a large space or complex equipment. Whether you're a seasoned boxer or just looking for a fun way to de-stress, this video will help you find the perfect tabletop punching bag. Number 5. Tech Tools Desktop Punching Bag. Need a quick way to relieve stress? This mini punching bag attaches to any surface. It's perfect for those moments when you need to vent. The strong spring ensures it bounces back every time. You can keep hitting it until you feel calm. It's built to last. No matter how long you need to vent, this desk punching bag can take it. It's designed to withstand repeated use, providing lasting stress relief. Whether you're at home or in the office, this gadget is a great stress reliever. It's a top cool gadget, helping you manage daily stress. The inflatable desktop punching ball comes with an air pump. This ensures it's always ready for action. It's easy to set up and use. What we like. This punching bag offers immediate stress relief right at your fingertips. The durable spring ensures it bounces back for more, letting you vent as long as you need. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to blow off steam at your desk, this is the perfect choice. What people say. It has great suction and I attach it to my desk and I punch it like a real punching bag. The suction cup is surprisingly strong. I've thrown some decent punches at it, blame the endless emails, and it hasn't budged. The spring action is super satisfying, it bounces back with just enough resistance to make me feel like I've accomplished something without knocking over my coffee. Number 4. GLACIAL Stress Relief Desktop Punching Bag. This punching bag comes with a desk clamp for a tighter grip. You'll enjoy a far stronger grip than with a suction cup alone. It stays in place as long as you want and removes in seconds. When stressed, take out your frustrations without leaving your chair. This product provides instant satisfaction at home or in the office. It's a great way to relieve the strain. The mini inflatable boxing ball can take a beating. The durable PU leather will withstand thousands of hits. It will still look like new after a lot of use. Become the office favorite with this fun toy. Your colleagues will want to try it out. It's a perfect gift for men, women, and executives. Don't just take our word for it. See the GLACIAL punching bag in action. Click the video below to get a glimpse of all the features this product has. What we like. This one features a strong desk clamp for a secure grip, so it stays put during intense stress-relieving sessions. The durable PU leather can withstand countless hits. If you're looking for a punching bag that can take a beating and provide lasting fun, you should consider this. What people say. This product is sturdy, and is great for stress relief. We use the grip rather than the suction copy and haven't had any issues with it coming loose or anything. It lasted under heavy use for 4 months. My coworkers have been using it also. Number 3. HCG Desktop Punching Bag, Stress Relief for All. Tired of a stressful day? This mini boxing bag is designed to help you release negative emotions. It's perfect for exercising reflexes and relieving pressure. This desktop speedball constantly bounces back, keeping you alert. It's a great way to train your reaction speed and improve hand-eye coordination while also building hand strength. Setting it up is a breeze. The suction cup base sticks firmly to smooth surfaces like glass and tables. It also comes with an air pump for easy inflation. Remember to clean the surface before attaching it. Looking for a fun gift? This punching bag is great for kids and adults alike. It's a perfect stress reliever for coworkers, a fun training toy for kids, or just some recreational fun. Have any questions? Contact us via email, and we'll respond within 24 hours. We are here to help you with any issues you may have. What we like. This desktop punching bag helps exercise reaction speed. It's easy to install with a strong suction cup base. If you're looking for a fun and engaging way to relieve stress and improve reflexes, this is a great option for you. What people say. It's nice to take a little 10-minute break from work. Stick this on my desk. It doesn't move its suction cups on there, and I'm able to get some arm toning exercises done right from work. This thing is so much fun. I got it as an emotional regulation tool for my son with ADHD. He loves it. This boxing reflex ball is really fun to use and definitely helps improve hand-eye coordination. There is a more name brand version that I have used previously, and this one is pretty much identical, though it also comes with different weighted balls, which is nice. Number 2. Barwench Games Desktop Punch Ball. Tired of stress? This desktop punching ball from Barwench Games is the perfect solution. It's designed to help you relieve tension at home or in the office. The package includes a high-quality PU leather punch ball. It also comes with a heavy-duty spring and a suction base that sticks to any flat surface. The included air pump with an inflator needle makes it easy to set up. The needle is conveniently located inside the pump, so you can start using it right away. The punch ball is 14 inches tall and 6 inches wide. It's the ideal size for your desk, providing a fun and effective way to de-stress. Packaged in a gift box, this punching ball makes an awesome present. It's a thoughtful gift for anyone who could use a little stress relief. This is a great stress reliever for the home or office. It's a fun and effective way to blow off steam, and everyone knows someone who needs one. What we like. This punching bag is made with high-quality PU leather. It's easy to set up and ready to use. If you know someone who needs a little stress relief in their life, this is the perfect gift. What people say. The product was sturdy and I like that the needle's stored in the pump. I use this as a speed bag fidget that keeps my hands busy while I work. It handles hard punches fine, but the build quality is questionable. I'm constantly having to tighten the bag on the spring, and it's built more like a desk toy than gym equipment, so I'm assuming at some point it will fail. So drywall hole punching Kyles, be warned, it's not that sturdy. Number 1. Laser Sports Desktop Punching Bag. Are you feeling stressed at work or home? This desktop punching bag is easily accessible on your desk. Give it a few punches to relieve your stress anytime. This punching bag can improve your mood, and your coworkers and families too. It's a fun way to promote a stress-free environment and a great bonding experience. This is a perfect gift for kids and adults. It's a fun stress reliever for everyone. It's a great choice for coworkers, kids, or the break room. The stress buster is very easy to install. It comes with an air pump, and the suction cup base sticks to any flat surface. No screws are needed. This punching bag is made with a resilient spring and high-quality materials. It can take countless punches. The soft material means you don't need boxing gloves. What we like. This punching bag offers immediate stress relief, improving your mood and those around you. It's easy to install with a suction cup base. If you like a fun and stress-free environment, then this is the perfect choice. What people say. This is a great little punching bag to help release stress. Suctions to any flat surface and stays put even when really laying into the bag. The spring is sturdy and holds up well. It can be tricky to get it to stick on some surfaces, but cleaning them beforehand helps. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.